Hi everybody, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. God bless you. I pray that you're having a good Independence Day. Make sure that you're safe if you're around or using any fireworks. Please be very careful. This is just a quick video to show a few of the latest upgrades on K336 GC, my second one, and nothing very major. What I did was I did open up my engine bay, put a door in there, and I have a different color code that color scheme that I tried on it. So we'll see how that works out. If not, I'll either paint it all black or paint everything yellow. I also decided to put a little man on the inside to simulate operations. And the biggest thing that has been very labor and time intensive was taking care of that high squeal on the right side track motor. And what happened was, after I thought I had it fixed, it came back. So I took the darn thing apart about 3 or 4 times, pulled all the gears out, greased up everything, and the actual motor housing had just a little bit of play in there, even when I tightened the bolts all the way. So I took a washer and filed down one part of it because it was a little too big to fit in there. I put that in there and greased it up again. And now the right side and the left side sound good. I had trouble with the left side also, though, because I had another hose burst on me. I need to really get some more of the good 3mm high pressure hose, and I think all that oil going down in there, getting on the electronics, it seemed like it messed up one of my ESCs, and I was having trouble with my other track motor. So I took it apart a couple of times and repaired it. But now everything seems to be very functional. And again, these are my the K336s are so that I can actually learn about electronics and learn about hydraulics, learn how to really understand better how these units run. So I did put external lines on this one, which I have videos up. I use for the oil change. I'll work out my plumbing and all my other hose schemes as time goes on. And on my display on this one, I do not have the high pressure or the temperature units inside the engine bay yet. I do plan to get those, and I have not cut open my door here for my cab. I don't quite have the best equipment for doing this. These cuts came out better than the first time that I tried, and I won't give up on that project. I will keep doing it until I get it right. I hope one day to have a fleet of these 336s, but this one that I got used for $800 has had more problems than the other one that I had. So I understand why some people have some issues with these. The quality control on the earlier ones just did not seem to be there. I still believe that you can upgrade and have a good machine for a lot less than generally you can even buy a new one. I see them running average $1,200 to $1,500, and if you have an older one and it's not functioning good, you can upgrade it to a premium state with $500 or less. On this side also, I have an external line. Didn't quite get my bends right on it. I have a transparent hose on this one so I can see the quality of the oil, how dirty it is. And I keep my oil line extension attached up here on the boom. I'll figure out a way to do all of that a lot better. Really having a great time with this hobby. And again, today is the day we celebrate Independence Day. God bless America. And, you know, regardless of your politics, I just need to tell you, as an old Marine, once a Marine, always a Marine, that this nation is still great. And of course, it can be greater. And God is also great. Again, if I lose some folks, that's okay. I don't care about politics. I don't care who doesn't agree with me on the greatness of the United States of America. I still believe it's the greatest nation God has ever blessed this earth with. And that's despite all of the difficulties, the problems, and everything else that we've had. Racism, sexism, slavery, violence, all of that. I'm not naive. I'm not stupid. I just really believe this is a great nation, that we remain a great nation. We don't have to be a great nation again. We have to strive to be a greater nation every day. So God bless you, folks. I hope I didn't sound too political. And I want to thank you and appreciate all those who come. Please like, please subscribe. And if you subscribe to my channel and like my channel, I will visit yours and do likewise. I'm just so glad listening to that, man. Those motors sounds good. There's a lot of hard work, many hours I spent taking those things apart, putting them back together. But I'm getting ready to get this baby back in the dirt. Oh, one more thing. Something I noticed as I was taking it apart, I did a fairly deep clean. And when you use these in dirt, it gets a little bit of everywhere. So I'm going to have to develop a maintenance schedule where I really take different parts of the unit totally apart, clean, lube, replace, repair, whatever I have to do, and put it back together. And I actually enjoy working on my excavators more than I do the dump trucks or my loader. I really enjoy working on the hydraulic excavators more than the electric ones. So I don't mind. And I think I'll get to the point where I can start breaking one down, taking my time and cleaning each unit, repairing each unit, making sure everything is operational on it. And if you know of anyone that has a K336 and they're not satisfied with it and they want to get rid of it, if they make me a reasonable offer and if I have the money, I'll be happy to purchase it from them. I'd like to get a fleet of these. The two that I have are pretty much prototypes that I have modified and did a lot of different things on them. So I haven't perfected the aesthetic, the way all the work looks. But right now it's more important for me to understand how it works. My next major upgrade will be to put a better and improved pump and hydraulic block in one of these. It may be this one, I'm not sure. And at some point, the power in this unit gets to the point where you can just overpower it relative to its size and weight. I need to figure all of that out so I can maximize these babies and have them running just as well as they can. God bless you again, and God bless America. I hope to see you soon when you come on back. Have a great day, and please be safe.